Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at my Z Fold 5 and particularly the Whitestone Dome inner screen protector after about 1 month of usage. I installed this screen protector shortly after I got the phone, and I just want to show you guys how it's holding up, whether or not I've had any issues. I did this video on my Fold 4 and a lot of you guys still comment on that video asking how that's holding up, and obviously I don't have my Fold 4 anymore. So we're going to do a follow-up video on the Fold 5. I'm going to try to do these maybe like every month, just to let you guys know how they're doing, or how it's doing rather. So this is the screen protector. As you can see here, it's kind of fingerprinted up. It's got some smudges on it. I have been using the Fold 5 as my daily driver for the full month. I have not used any other devices. This has been my daily driver, so it's the phone I'm using every day, all day long. And like I said, the screen protector has been on there since shortly after launch. I did take the original off to review another one, and then I put the Whitestone Dome back on after that. Of course, I obviously bought another one. I didn't put the same one back on because that wouldn't really work out, but here's what it's looking like. No peeling, no bubbling, no issues in the crease right here, which on the Amazon review is a common complaint, is people will have the crease peel up and it will start bubbling from there, start peeling up right there. I have never had that issue on a Whitestone Dome screen protector, and the trick is when you're installing it, when you're putting it on with the installation tool, is you have to make sure you get the squeegee down in the crease. You have to make sure you get it down and go through the crease and push the air out, because if you go through too quick, your squeegee's just going to skip right over that crease, and the screen protector is not going to adhere right there. It's going to be lifted up already, and when you fold the phone, it's going to just start peeling right away, right off the bat, and you're going to have a ton of issues and a bad experience. So the Whitestone Dome screen protectors by no means are bad. They are great screen protectors. As you can see here, it has been holding up great. You just have to take your time and install it properly. A lot of those reviews that you're seeing of it peeling up and issues with the crease and stuff like that are people that are not installing it properly. They're going too quickly. They're not squeegeeing the crease. They're not leaving the phone open for that 5 minutes like Whitestone Dome tells you to after they install it to let everything adhere. They rush the process, and that's what messes that up. But here's mine after about a month. Like I said, no issues whatsoever. No issues with the phone overall. I've got the Whitestone Dome UV glass screen protector on the outside right here. Love this screen protector. Fits very, very nicely. Looks very nice, and it obviously feels like the original screen. No issues there. And again, no bubbles, no peeling, no cracks or anything like that. So I'm going to leave a link to both of these in the description where you can pick these up. Like I said, I wouldn't recommend replacing your original inner screen protector unless you have an issue. But if you do want something that feels a little bit better than the factory one, I do think the Whitestone Dome one feels a little better than factory. So there is my 1 month follow-up on that, just so you guys know everything is still working as expected and doing just fine. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.